he's walking with us, and I noticed on his hip he had handcuffs. And then we're waiting by the door, and then he starts talking out loud, or just talking to me, I guess, trying to talk to me. And he's like, "Oh man, I'm waiting for my buddy. I gotta go to the courthouse today. I gotta give him these." And he whips out the handcuffs. I'm like, "Yep, I seen those when you're walking." And I gotta give him this too. He pulls out the fucking knife and shows me a knife. I gotta give him this too. I gotta go to the courthouse. Man, I hope he gets here. Man. I'm like, well, if he does it, you can just hide it behind a bush or something. No, I can't do that. Can't do that. And then all of a sudden you see the Tesla. That fucking drove him crazy. Ah, fucking Tesla. And then drive those in the fucking river. And then he's like, my Brahms. And then he's like, what's going on? Yeah, but he just kept talking. And he's like, "You agree with me? You agree with me?" I'm like, "Sure, whatever. As long as I don't say anything wrong." I know. Oh, and then there was this kid. He came in with his helmet and a scooter, like a mobile scooter, and he was walking it through, and then the guy's like, "You gotta pick that up on the carpet," and it looked like the guy was ignoring him, but then when he got to the carpet, he picked it up like he knew the routine, like